In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Twitch alerts in OBS Studio full guide. By the end, your stream will show pop-up alerts for events like follows, subs, and raids, and you'll have them wired into OBS so you can control how they look and sound. Start by heading to the Twitch website and make sure you're signed in. Open your profile menu in the top right and go to the Creator dashboard. This is where all your streaming settings live. In the dashboard, open the main menu and find the Alerts section. Choose Alerts, then create a new alert box. This alert box is a container that handles all the different alert types for your channel. Inside the alert editor, take a moment to customize how alerts appear. You can set the layout, choose images or animations, add sounds, and tweak timing for each alert type, like followers, subscribers, bits, and raids. Keep an eye on font size, alert duration, and alert position so they don't block gameplay or important overlays. When you're happy with the look and feel, save your changes so everything is locked in. Next, in the alert editor, click the button to copy your source URL. This link connects Twitch alerts to OBS using a browser source. Treat it like a private link tied to your channel and avoid sharing it publicly. Now open OBS Studio and look at the sources doc for the scene you plan to use while live. Add a new source by clicking the plus icon and choose browser. Give it a clear name like Twitch alerts, then paste the URL you copied from Twitch into the URL field. Set the width and height to match your canvas. 1920 by 1080 is common for a 1080p canvas. Check the option to control audio via OBS so alert sounds show up as their own audio source in the mixer. That way you can adjust volume, mute temporarily, or apply filters without changing anything on Twitch. Place the browser source where you want alerts to appear. If you're using multiple overlays, keep the alert source above gameplay but below any elements that would cover it up. To verify everything works, go back to the Twitch dashboard and send a test alert. Watch OBS to confirm the alert appears on screen and that the audio level shows up in the mixer. If you don't see it, make sure the source eye icon is enabled, the URL is correct, and the source is in the right order on your scene. If the audio is too loud or quiet, adjust it in the OBS mixer now. That's it. Your Twitch alerts are connected to OBS and ready for your next stream.